The School of Transportation's strength is its diversity in its programs that houses diesel, auto repair, and auto body with a matriculation that's capable to go to the Bachelor of Applied Science in Transportation Logistics and Supply Chain Management. The reason to choose LWTech is far and away the faculty. They actually care about each student's experience and learning the skills they need in order to get employment. Diesel program, students will learn how to work on heavy equipment and or diesel powered systems to be able to work in the marine industry, the construction industry, the transportation diesel industry. The diesel program also houses cooperative work experience in their fourth and fifth quarter. This allows students to be able to take the skills that they've learned in the classroom lab and apply them at a place of business. This also exposes a student to what it is like to be a diesel technician day to day, which also provides them an opportunity to be exposed to employers that might actually hire them on the spot or when they're actually done with the actual program. Auto body students will be able to learn paint and or collision related topics and learn the new techniques that go along with working on aluminum vehicles, water-based paints versus oil-based paints. The auto repair industry allows students to learn about everything from electrical to engine performance, which allows them to work at a dealership, work at independent shops, and or start their own business if they so choose.